What? How did that get in there? Just kidding. Thanks, Hansshow, for sending this to me. We're gonna mount this light bar on the top of the truck. Let's do it. All right, guys, these are the tools you're gonna need. A wire stripper, socket set, and one thing that I did not have before, a heat gun. This is my dad from Jimmy Tries Everything. He's an electrician, so he's gonna help me out with this project today. So tell us what we need here.
Well, we're going to get started. I think what we're going to do first is we're going to grab our wire cutters, and we need our 10mm socket, which is right here, the extender, and I think we're ready to climb up on top and begin. Although I will ask the person that's doing the videoing if they've turned the power source off to that roof.
Yes, I have.
All right. I don't want to get zipped by 48 volts. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and climb on up here and open the latch. Okay. And I'm going to put this in my rear pocket and use these to try to pull out the wire harness that's right here, which is perfect right there. Put that out, and I will take my handy dandy knife, also something probably you want to have with you when you do your job, so I can cut this tape loose, which I've done. And now we have our wires out here. I have to get these pieces of this tape off. So we've got the wires free. I'll cut that excess tape off. And then we'll take our handy dandy wire cutters and we're gonna cut the individually, obviously, one at a time, safe way to do it. We're gonna cut the red wire and we're gonna cut the black wire. We'll leave the ground wire on here, the green cover for now. I'm not sure our other part is going to require it. I believe this is 16 gauge wire. Yep, came right off, about a 1/2 inch. And then we'll do the next one. And about a 1/2 inch. All right. So the wires are ready to put on our power tail from the Hansshow kit. I'll wait for my assistant here.
Assist I will.
Okay. Lay them there. I'm going to take and cut this Hansshow cable back just a little bit so that I can have a little more wire to work with. All set up and ready. So now we're ready to install our couplers. Here's our red one here. We'll go into this side. Make sure they're good and spun up so we can get them all the way in there. Got to get them past the solder points here in the middle. And that is our red wire. Let's see if we can get the other one in there. These in there good. Okay, that's the red one. Do the black one next. In we go. Never worked with this kind of a connector before. And then we're ready to use the heat gun. And this, see how this goes. I'm going to tip this up a little bit higher. Probably a good idea to pre-test the lamp. I'm not really familiar with these kinds of terminations. Undo the zip tie. Right. Alrighty, and we're going this way. We're good to go.
Okay, hold it.
All right.
Got it. Hold it.
We hold it. See what happens. If you see me shaking or vibrating, it's probably because I'm being electrocuted. Probably not. Just remember to shut it off quickly if that happens. Hey, look at that. We have light. All right. Step one is good. I got the sockets. I asked my assistant for it, and evidently I was already holding on to them. So take these off.
You hand that to me when I go to the other side.
This is the part that's better with two people. Okay, I'll hand that over to him. We're going to turn it over like that. I'll lay my wires down in here for a minute. Other than a minor adjustment, that is going to be as easy as that.
I know we pre-tested this already, but outlets and mods, power feed to the roof. There we go. Freshly installed and already getting rained on. Okay, you got the normal headlight down below, light bar. Holy crap, I'm blind. I'm blind. Wow, that is bright. Woo. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's cool. Thanks, Hansshow. Links are down in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe while I freeze my butt off out here. Ooh, Utah winter. I haven't seen snow in 15 years.